Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June 23rd, 2021, and we're going to be starting some sweet potato slips. Now, these already are rooted here, and we did have to buy some this year. Unfortunately, I lost the sweet potato tubers that we had for our starts. They dried out in the basement, and I didn't know it until it was too late. So, we were able to find some in the store. Now we're gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, and normally we have our sweet potatoes already in containers by now, but we're getting a little bit of a late start here. So our soil is a mix of compost and potting mix, and we do have bone meal mixed in with it and some other plant foods. You can see the root systems on these here. He's taken off the part that rotted at the bottom because we don't want that rot to go up through the stem and to ruin the sweet potato start. Get it planted here. See the roots on there. You want to take off any foliage that would be like dead or dying or rotting, because that will eat into the stems and it will ruin your starts. And that's true for any type of plant that you're planting. You can see that one there. See this here damage here that he's going to take off. You see the rotted part in his hand there. You can see the roots there that are still good. Now we use black containers for ours because the black helps hold the heat, and we have a shorter growing season, so we use the black containers to help draw the heat in, and then we have them sitting on plastic to help control the weeds out in the yard. So we were going to plant these out last night or yesterday, but it got down in the 40s for the temperatures, 43 degrees, and sweet potatoes don't like it in the 40s. They like warmer temps. They're a very warm, loving crop. You could do these like if you created like a hoop house type setting. You definitely could do that. They do very well in a setting like that, and you know, that would give you your nice heat, especially if you have like a shorter growing season. You could use, like I said, you know, we use the black containers to get the heat held in more form. So after you get your sweet potato slips all planted, you do want to water them. Now, your sweet potato slips can come in like little the little cell packs, and they'll already be rooted. You can just plant the whole thing in. But you want to keep your soil moist but not soggy. So definitely, you know, after you get them planted, go ahead and give them some water. And you want to make sure that your soil is well drained. You don't want them standing in water. That will cause rot and can rot the tubers. And you also want to make sure that you put them out in full sun. And you do want to protect them from cold temperatures. So you can see the holes that we have for drainage in the bottom of our containers here, and that'll help let the water drain out of them. So these will also be getting fed with a product called Sea Magic. That's an organic product. I'll put a link down in the description for that. You can check out a video I did on my channel for the benefits that I have found from using Sea Magic over the years. And they'll be fed one time every other week with that mixture. So as these continue to grow, we're going to come back with more video updates, and we're going to show them to you. If they have a danger of frost or freeze, you definitely want to make sure that you cover them somehow to try and protect them, because that'll take them out for sure. And you want to make sure that you harvest them before frost or freeze comes. And I have videos on my channel in previous years for when we grew our sweet potato plants, so you can check those out. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.